What happened, Bella? What have I done? Oh, gold, gold, gold. This gold fish from the mud is so amazing. Beautiful gold. I could watch this gold forever.
My kid, you've been watching gold all day again. Please stop it and rest with me.
Why rest when I can become richer? Gold is the greatest thing in the whole world.
But your family misses you. Even the princess has been waiting to spend time with you.
I already have everything, but I still want more gold.
Be careful what you wish for, my kid. Too much greed can bring trouble.
I wish everything I touch would turn into pure gold. Who are you?
I am a wizard. I shall grant you a wish. From this moment on, everything you touch will turn into gold.
Please, think carefully before accepting this.
This is wonderful. Thank you, wizard. I'll be the richest king in the whole world.
Remember, not everything precious is made of gold. Da, 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 da.
Ha 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 ha! Today is the happiest day of my life.
Your Majesty, your food is ready.
Oh, yes, I'm starving.
Oh no!
What happened? My food turned into gold. The table also turned into gold. Oh, it's hard as stone. I can't eat this.
Your Majesty, this magic is dangerous.
No, I'm hungry. I don't want golden food.
La 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 la. Father? Mother? King Father? Where are they? Oh, there you are, Father. I missed you so much. You never came to me anymore. I'm so sad.
Oh, my dear daughter. I'm sorry, my child.
It's okay, Father. Let me hug you. Oh no! What's happening? Father, it's like I'm turning into gold. Oh no!
What happened, Bella? What have I done? My daughter! No! Please! Wake up!
Princess! Oh no!
This gift is a curse. I don't want gold anymore.
We warned you, my king.
Please, somebody help me.
Da, 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 da.
Da 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 da!
Oh, you learned your lesson, King Midas.
Yes, I was foolish. I thought gold would make me happy.
And what do you understand now?
Love, family, and happiness are worth far more than gold.
Our family is more important than riches.
Please, wizard, save my daughter. I'll never be greedy again.
Very well. Touch everything you born into gold and wish for it to return to normal. Then the spell will break.
Thank you so much. I wish this food would return to normal.
Oh no! It worked! Wow!
Please come back, my daughter.
Yay! Thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother. You saved me. I'm not gold anymore.
Oh.
I missed you so much.
Oh, you're alive.
Thank goodness. Our family is together again.
From now on, I will love my family more than gold.
Then,
You have thrown